The scent of sizzling green onion oil rises into the air. In just 10 minutes, you have the ultimate Asian street food snack. Tender octopus meets fragrant green onions. A simple dish that transforms your table. Best enjoyed cold. And made to be shared with a glass of sake. Easy to make, hard to forget. This is comfort with a little fire and a lot of soul. Let's make it together.